5.4 liter 3-valve Triton V8. Just taking some notes here. Alright, so cam lobes, we'll start there. Alright. Alright, these cam lobes are wore and of irregular wear. Let me see if I can turn the light on this, will help, maybe. Scarred and or even pitted in some. Right there's a real irregular wear kind of looking. Let's see. Trying to get light. Get all this lined up, camera and light. Alright. Now, right down in here, we see an interesting prospect. On this back side, we see a lot of darkness, and this is on each of these cam journals. That main cam bearing there, and so forth. Trying to get the lighting all lined up there. Those are really wear, and that darker look coming on the back side of those, yeah, not so awesome. Let's see, then timing on this one, I pulled one plug, the simplest plug to get to, that one right there, or should I say I attempted to pull it, and it wasn't happening. It broke off down in there. I spent about a day piddling with it, but this one ain't no different. Maybe even a little bit worser, and that's due to the oiling process. Man, look down in there at that one. Come on, focus. Anyway, not so awesome. That one there just looks like, I don't know, 100 grit sandpaper or something about on that one. They're all like that though, pitted and grooved and so forth. I'm gonna talk with customer, man, more about this one. There's little rocker lifters down in there underneath those lobes. They got issues as it is. However, down in there you can see them, those little rocker lifters. I'll suggest replacement of those. Alright, now the job I'm here for is actually the timing. I was going to be a nice guy and replace this plugs while I'm at it. And yeah, that one broke off, so I changed my mind before I did replace it. However, where we at? Yeah, timing. So that R, for example, that's an arrow. It's supposed to be straight up and down, and it's a little bit to the side. Not too bad. Over here, that L is supposed to be straight up and down, and she's over. So yeah, it's out of time. I took oscilloscope and saved it. Thanks. I told dude it was eating into the stuff, and it about cut through on the valve covers. That's what you call them things. So yeah, just some of the carnage stuff. There's something underneath the vehicle before I start pulling that out. Whenever I took timing cover off, little pieces of stuff and shrapnel and what. There's that one that just fell down. The chain was holding it back, no doubt. Yeah. Looks like it flopped around in there a couple times. It's set up on this back side where it shouldn't even been. Anyway. I'm gonna put a new oil pump in there. Whatnot, get it retimed. Put new guides on. What's that? Get all the shrapnel out, get her cleaned up. Put new, I took that side out, but these cam phaser solenoids, or whatever the hell they're called, got some new those things. All new gears and stuff to put in there. That it broke down here. Man, that thing's about ate it. Anyway, just taking notes, just taking notes. That's all. Down there you can see where she belt flopping around, cutting into the oil pump. We got him a new oil pump. Water pump's good. I was gonna go for replacing it. However, this thing is good. Like his alternator. Let's see what we got over here. Timing cover. Yeah, I was talking about it eating up into it. That's just like a noise kind of thing. I mean, it's still eating into it, but however, shit like this. Of course, that'll make you some noise, but that'll, wow. It's almost like they engineered it that way. Kind of like those plugs. I can show you the valve covers, but they look the same right at the top. Back sides here where the valve covers go, this chain gets out on it on both sides. They're good. They're not cut through. They probably got an eighth of metal left. Yeah, that's his stuff over there. I'm gonna start the process of putting it all on there. Where's his oil pump? Down there. That'll be first. Kinda.